Thyroid gland is very important gland in your body which is responsible for such hormone which are participating in your growth, which are participating in all other organs functioning. So if you don't take care of this gland, it can lead to various malfunctioning in the body, such as it leads to hyper and hypothyroidism. So due to which many people, especially women, can face so many challenges: weight gaining or weight loss, or irregular menstruation, depression, anxiety, muscle cramps, infertility, sexual dysfunction, and many other issues. So our today's practice is focused on one very important kriya, which if you will do regular and keep doing at least for 3 months, you will see huge changes. See, if you want to keep your thyroid gland better, so there is a iodine intake which everyone knows here, and there are various food that you have to regularly intake, such as dairy products has iodine, seaweed has iodine, dry fruits, or you can have strawberries which has a good amount of iodine, or iodized salt. So this intake you will do regularly, but additionally still after having all these intake, but still body, this gland doesn't function because you don't have good activity. You are not stimulating regularly this gland, and that is very important that now you have to learn this kriya I'm going to share with you and regularly practice every morning with empty stomach. Today focus will be only one kriya called Simhasan. Simha Garjanasana. I will teach you various modification of it and various variations so that you can learn properly. So for Simhasan, what you have to do is come to Vajrasana. That's one way. Other way is Padmasana. So first learn those who can do Simhasan properly. The proper way of Simhasan is making a lotus. I have already made one video on lotus, how to do proper lotus, but you can learn from there. But still, and then later I will tell you the basic way of doing Simhasan. The first is lotus, the proper way. You're coming to a lotus, then you are standing up. See, you are using the hands and standing up like that. See that? Here, making a fist here like a Simha. Simha means what? Simha means lion. So roaring, Simha Garjanasana Kriya, roaring lion. So basically, you are keeping the hands like a lion here and leaning forward a little bit. You see that? Here, if I show you from this distance, a little bit back, this is the position. Arms are straight line, leaning forward a little bit, chin down. Here. Now you are trying to press your chin to stimulate that gland, which is very important. So now you're pressing the chin down. And then breathing here. Inhale. So inhale. And then when you exhale, you lift the chin, open the tongue, and exhale with open mouth sound from throat. See here, chin down, inhale, exhale, throw the head out, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, like that. At least for 10-15 times one cycle. And then you are coming out from the pose, slowly sitting down and just meditating. Meditating in Padmasana, same. Palm facing up, just closing the eyes and just focusing on Vishuddhi center, throat center. Then repetition of this pose. At least 3 times, 15 set, 15, 15 and 15. Regularly do this. The proper way is chin down. You press the chin between the collarbone. There's a gap here. You press there. Inhale by focusing at that area and then throwing the head up like a lion, roaring lion. It is not only balancing the thyroid, it is also giving you the confidence. You become like a lion or lioness. So if someone is facing low confidence, this posture is very important. This kriya is very important. Now the question is, not everyone can do that. Even sometime when you make a fist, you feel pain. You can take a cushion. On top of the cushion, you can place the fist. Or you can place something under the knee if you feel pain. If you can't do this way, other way is the modified way, which is in Vajrasana. Come to Vajrasana like that, separate the knee, then hands forward. See, here. You can zoom the video to understand proper way. Hands forward, palm facing up. Same way, chin down, inhale, exhale. And when you are lifting the head, you can keep your eyes closed also, if you want. Okay, inhale, exhale, like that. Few rounds, 10-15 again, 3 sets. After finishing one set, 10-15 times, you're coming back, Vajrasana, sitting, focusing on the Vishuddhi center, throat center, and then after 30 seconds to 1 minute, repetition again, 3 times. This practice every morning, the moment wake up, taking everything, shower and everything, all cleansing, then you practice this, 3 sets. You will see huge changes. Practice this and share this video and help others to balance their system. Without balancing the system, you can't live a healthy life. So these all techniques which I'm sharing in this platform is just to give you the additional support so that you can keep yourself healthy. I hope you understood the video. Share, and I will see you again in the next video. Namaste.